Have you ever wondered what happens to all of the rubbish and recycling that gets picked up from outside your homes every week? Well, if you live in Lambeth, Wandsworth, Hammersmith and Fulham or Kensington and Chelsea, then chances are it comes here, to Smuggler's Way. We receive the household waste and recycling for over 1 million people, around 6,000 tonnes every single week. The rubbish and the recycling are kept separate from each other and go on different journeys. Let's start with the recycling. The plastic tubs and trays, glass jars, metal tins, paper and cardboard get tipped all together into this huge pit, as much as 350 tonnes a day. It is then fed into our Materials Recycling Facility, or MRF, where a series of sorting machines separate out the recycling by its different material. Sometimes people give us the wrong things, so there are lots of staff who are there to pick out any scrunchy plastic or food that's found its way into the recycling by mistake. The sorted recycling is then squashed together into these bales, ready to be taken on to various factories across Britain and Europe, where your recycling will be made into something new. Your old tin cans and glass, for example, could be made into a huge skyscraper like the Shard. Or your old plastic bottles could be turned into polyester and used to make a brand new England football kit. So when Marcus Rashford or Lucy Bronze next score for England, they might be doing so wearing a shirt that you helped create. What about all the stuff that we don't recycle? The general waste, as it's called, gets tipped down these holes and is packed into yellow shipping containers. Each container carrying around 12 tonnes of waste, and when full, is lifted by giant cranes and placed on one of our barges. Using the river for transport saves the use of lorries and helps massively cut down on pollution. Around 90 containers a day are shipped by barge to Belvedere Energy from Waste Plant in Bexley, where your general waste will help generate enough electricity for 100,000 homes. They do this by burning the waste in a giant incinerator. The fire creates steam which powers turbines and gives us electricity. Giant filters prevent any air pollution, and even the bottom ash that remains is put to good use, being used as an aggregate for road building. So when you send something to Smuggler's Way, you know it's being put to good use and will come back around again, either as energy to power our homes, building materials to create incredible structures, or maybe, if we're lucky, to be worn by one of our heroes.